You were a machinist mate in the United States Navy, and you served our country. And all these years later, you've now been diagnosed with mesothelioma. And you want to know, how did I get this disease? Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney, and I want to talk to you about the types of exposures to asbestos that Navy seamen and machinist mates encountered when they worked on Navy ships. I want to do that by talking to you about a former client of mine, and he actually was a machinist mate on an aircraft carrier. And his work took place primarily in the boiler room. You probably know it as the fire room. He worked on all the equipment in the boiler room. The boiler itself, as well as the pumps that pumped hot water and different fuels and oils for different uses throughout the ship. He dealt with all the systems for propulsion of the ship. And his work with the boiler involved dealing with the asbestos insulation that was on this large marine boiler. There was actually two of them on the ship. And he dealt with the asbestos insulation, removing it, reinstalling it after his work. He dealt with asbestos gaskets as it related to the boiler. He dealt with the pumps that were throughout the boiler room and really throughout the ship, in particular the large boiler feed pumps. He dealt with packing and gaskets that were made of asbestos, as well as insulation that was on the piping and on the pumps. He dealt with valves that were placed throughout the ships. And he also dealt with other equipment in the boiler room and throughout the ship. The work that he did with asbestos products that included insulation, gaskets, and packing, all of these exposures contributed to him developing mesothelioma many decades later. And his doctors informed him that it was those exposures to asbestos when he was in the Navy years and years ago, that all these years later, only just a few years ago, caused him to be diagnosed with mesothelioma. And that's what's expected with mesothelioma. The exposures happen, and then 20 to up to 60 years later, the patient is diagnosed with this cancer, mesothelioma, a cancer caused by asbestos. Now, you have questions about mesothelioma and about the types of exposures that U.S. Navy servicemen faced when they served our country on U.S. naval vessels. I'm Joe Williams. At our office, we handle cases for victims of mesothelioma and for their families every day. We deal with these issues on a daily basis. Call our office. We'll answer your questions. Thank you.